Hey everyone, and welcome back. Today I wanted to show you what products I use to complete this look. So it's fairly simple. It's just kind of blue, shimmery, glittery, smoky eye that I pretty much wanted to try a couple of new products that I just got. I went on a retail slash makeup therapy shopping spree a little bit for Valentine's Day. That was what I did for the day to do a little self-care. So I will tell you what I used in this look. So first I started with let's see, how did I want to say? Of course, I primed my eyes with the Smashbox Intensify. Yeah, is that what it says? Yeah. 24-hour shadow primer. And then I used a couple of shadows from Coastal Scents. So I used this one in Pumpkin Pie. And I use that under the brow. Might start using that. I like that, how that looks. So I might use that more often under the brow. And then to put in the crease, kind of blending in the crease, I use this Coastal Scents eyeshadow in Sail Away. And for the base under the eyeshadows, I used the eye primer. It's a, well, what is it called? It's called Imaginary. It's by MAC. It's a paint pot, I believe. One of their old school paint pots. And the color is again in Imaginary. So I put that down first. And then I went over that with a new eyeshadow I recently received from Terra Moon Cosmetics. And this was an extra one she included in the order. It's called Alter Ego. I said, well, she knows my style and what I like, because that's a color that I definitely like. It's like a blurple, like a blue purple that switches to kind of like a red shift. So I applied that to the lid. And then I applied this chunky glitter from I think it's called Pretty Little Cosmetics, and it's in the color Mermaid Frenzy. Real pretty in the pan. So I just took my ring finger and applied some I kind of focused in the middle of the lid. And so then on the lower lash line, I just used a blue eyeliner from Jordana in Blue Divine. I applied that to the lower lash line, and then I set it with a blue eyeshadow. And then on the inner corners, I used a little bit of this Alter Ego. And then on top of that, I applied Crybaby from Cara Beauty. What did I do with it? I can't find it. But it's called Crybaby. It's from Cara Beauty. I think I knocked it down on the floor somewhere and now I can't find it. Oh, here it is. It fell in my bag. So this is what it looks like. It's a pigment from Cara Beauty. So I applied that on the inner tear duct areas just to give a little shimmer on the inside there. And then, so to my new products. So for my face, I started by priming with the Fix Plus from MAC, the mattifying one. I sprayed that on my face first, and then I had been seeing some videos and posts about Danessa Myricks products, and they made it seem like it's new, but I think it's been around for a while. So I started by using the Danessa Myricks Yummy Skin Glow Serum Hydrating Primer Face Serum. So I applied this on first. This is in the color Main Squeeze. I think it's 3 of them, and all 3 are supposed to be able to match with any complexion. But so I went to the middle of the road. This is Main Squeeze is like a golden color. So I applied that first, just like kind of as a primer too. So I had the Fix Plus as a primer, and then I put that on. And so then I also purchased this Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Powder. And it is in the color number 9. So it comes like that with the little spatula. And this is the way it looks. It's supposed to be like cream to powder. And it's supposed to be like skin-like. I actually really like it. I have been on the search for some kind of a lightweight type of, because it's supposed to be like a blurring powder, so it's not necessarily like a foundation. So I watched a lot of videos. There's a lot of videos out there about it. So it's supposed to be, you know, have all this technology in it that's supposed to be long wearing and stop the oils from seeping through on your face and skin like and all that. So I really like it. This is my first time like completely putting it on. She has several other shades in it, so I think it would be worth a try. So for the blush, I'm using from La Femme Beauty, my blush palette. This is in the color Terracotta. Yeah, this color right here. And for the highlight, I just use my MAC. I don't know. I have stuff, and then I throw it all over the place when I'm applying it, and it's right here on my face. Always is the Black Panther. This is in Royal Vibrancy. And of course, this was limited edition. But that's the highlight. And to set my face, I also used a powder. Now, some people say with that Yummy Skin, the blurring powder, some people say they don't even need a powder. But of course, I set it with the powder. And I finally got a full size of the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder in the number 4 deep. So I finally got it in a full size. So that was something else I got when on Valentine's Day. So I set it with that powder. And then for the lips, something else new. I started out by lining my lips with Cola. This is from Juvia's Place. So this I've had, but the new is the lip gloss. It's my first lip gloss from Fenty Beauty. It's our cream gloss in Honey Waffles. So I really like it too. It's not sticky, it's creamy and pigmented. So I really like it. And so that was the lips, and I think that was pretty much it. Oh, my polish. Of course, I try to match my polish to my eye look. Sometimes I do that. Sometimes it'd be something different, but I try to stick to it. And this was also in my shopping stash. This was actually, now the other stuff was from Sephora, but this was from Ulta. The Halo Taco nail polish. And it is in the color Blue Rizzler. So I got that to dupe a color from Mooncat, that they just came out with a new collection of nail polishes, but it's been kind of slow in the mail here lately with where I'm at, and so instead of trying to order it and wait forever for it to be delivered to me, I decided to look for dupes. So this was I think this was a close dupe to I think the collection was called Baroque or something like that, Baroque Romance collection that Mooncat just came out with, and they had a color similar to this, and so I said, well, I'll get this kind of to dupe it since I liked it on their site. So I got another one too, so you'll see that possibly later on to match another look. Possibly I'm gonna start doing maybe a couple of St. Patrick's Day looks, so those are coming up too. So anyway, I hope you like this look, and I hope this look will inspire you to create something of your own. Thanks for watching. Until next time. Bye.